Hello guys, you smartphone Tecno 5 Go, Pop 5 Go. This version 1 GB memory and 16 GB internal memory. Ultra cheap device. Full completion. In completion we have protected back cover, adapter for charging and micro USB cable. Okay, device made of plastic. On the backside camera and LED fingerprint scanner. Under back cover we have battery 4000 mAh, adapter for slot for micro SD card and 2 slots for nano SIM cards. Turn on. We have 10 matrix display, this HD resolution, Android 11. Okay. Undo the benchmark doesn't work on this device. We have Unisoc SE7731, this CPU, and Mali T820. Resolution, front camera 5 megapixels. Doesn't work under the benchmark, we don't have results, and GTA San Andreas doesn't work too. Or okay, GTA San Andreas load or not. All graphic settings on the low level. Okay, game load. And works. We can play in GTA San Andreas on the low graphic level. Okay, and that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.